What are the three components of resources?
Technology,
Hmm.
institutions, physical environment.
Very good. And what makes the whole thing turn into resource? These three things plus one thing more, human beings. This can also come as a question. Explain about the resource triangle. Next question can be interrelationship between nature, technology, and institution. Uh, Discuss the interrelationship between nature, technology, and institution. Then again, you have to make this triangle. If the question comes, this green lines, human being interact with nature through technology and create institution to accelerate their economic development. So here the question again is giving importance to human being. So who is the central point of the whole thing? Human being, है ना? And they are the ones who are using technology, and they are the ones who are creating institution. Now what is an institution, children? Institution is how people are organized. You are organized in different classes. Kingship was an institution, slavery was a institution, है ना? Because it says human being interact with nature through technology and create institution to accelerate economic development. मतलब in the past, if you remember, mining was done by slaves. Now dash is a function of human activity. Tell me the answer. Dash is a function of human activity. Resources are a function of human activities. Very good. On the basis of ownership, resources are of two types, biotic and abiotic. On the basis of exhaustibility, resources are of two types.
Renewable and non-renewable
Renewable.
Very good.
resources.
On the basis of ownership, resources are of individual, community, national, and international. On the basis of status of development,
Potential,
Potential
developed,
developed
stock, and
and
reserve.
reserves.
very good. Now, on then again, what do you see? Resource, when you see, he says he is talked about renewable, non-renewable, renewable resources which are coming under on the basis of renewability. Resources can be renewable and non-renewable, है ना? Uh, in terms of nature, those which can renew themselves can be one, can be flow. Flow resource means like water keeps flowing, it keeps coming through the hydrological cycle. When we come to non-renewable, recyclable and non-recyclable, something which can be recycled and non-recyclable, I think you understand. Now, structure and quantity. Human beings are organized in terms of quantity, quality, structure, institution. I am explaining this why because uh, quantity means कितने number है लोगों के. If you count the number of people, quantity. Quality means what is the educational level they have, quality, है ना? Then structure and institution means how are they organized. In the past people were organized in slavery, है ना? In the past kingship was there, but today kingship and slavery both of them are not there. Give me example of biotic resources and abiotic resources from the book. Human beings
So
biotic,
human beings are biotic and
and what about abiotic?
rocks and
Very
metals.
good. Now renewable resources में आया था आपका कौन से आए थे बेटा अभी? हाँ, वेरी गुड. ऑन द नॉन रिन्यूएबल के एग्जांपल्स कोई दिख रहा है आपको? Look at the examples of non renewable.
The fossil fuels.
Very good revision, very good revision, children, you are doing it so well. uh, Now we come to on the basis of individual ownership. Here he has given us some example. Can you point out some example? Like anything you that belongs to you now, ownership is yours, then it is individual ownership, है ना? Now something which belongs to the community will be a part of.
Community resources.
Very good. National resources, like 12 nautical miles of water, the area which is near to the sea, which is with us, that water is exactly ours, है ना? On the basis of status of development, potential resources. So we have got two states which have been shown in terms of potential. And what are those states?
Rajasthan and Gujarat.
Yeah, on the basis of development, uh, technology is been an important factor, है ना? कि how much technology is there to develop and how much has been developed. Now, stock resources, what is the
Sir,
character of stock resources? There's some character of stock resources.
sir, resources which have potential to satisfy the human needs, but humans do not have the appropriate technology,
Ah, very
so
good,
they are
very
not
good,
using it.
very good. So they don't have the technology. Example here, hydrogen has been given, है ना? Very good. So then we come to reserve. Reserve may know, we should know the future may stock which we have got for future generation. Now we come to the next concept, development of resource. Resource development leads to three problems. What are the three problems?
Sir,
Depletion of
Depletion of
depletion of
resources.
resources, accumulation of resources in few hands, and indiscriminate exploitation of resources.
Very good. So these are the three words which should be there in the answer. Now, sustainable development may we keep the things for dash generation. If your answer does not have this future generation, this means answer is incomplete. Children yet to come to this world, we are thinking about them because what we have, we finish it off. That is not done. Our future generations which are going to come, because this world is a human being themselves are a resource which is a biological resource, just like animals renew themselves, है ना? In 1992, how many heads of the states met?
100 heads of state.
Very
100
good.
states.
Where did they meet?
100.
Where
Rio
did
de
they meet?
Janeiro in
Rio
Rio
de
Brazil.
de
Janeiro in
Janeiro,
Brazil.
Brazil. Very good. What was the agenda they decided there?
Agenda 21. Agenda 21 for achieving sustainable development in the 21st century.
Very good. And then they said Agenda 21 will vary from state to state.
States.
State.
Very good. If one area has got different resources, another area has got different resources, and we have to plan in accordance to the different things the different areas have, what type of resource planning will it be called?
Balanced resource
Balanced
planning.
resource planning.
Balanced resource
Very
planning.
good. So you know the answer. You know, okay, balanced resource planning is a planning in which, on the basis of what the area has, you start developing that particular area. Right? Yes. Then we come to resource planning. Right? Now, if you look at resource planning, there are three stages of resource planning. What does the first stage involve?
Identification and
Identification.
inventory of resources
Very
across
good.
the region
Then,
of country.
then surveying,
Evolving up
Surveying
Surveying,
mapping.
mapping, and qualitative and
Mhm.
quantitative estimation
Very good.
and
That's
measurement of resources.
so. In the first stage, first of all, you identify the resource, and identification may you make map, you quantity, quality you tell, and everything you measure how much the resources approximately, and then in the second stage, other people come in looking at how to exploit the resource. They are a part of the second stage, and then comes the third part. In the third part, what do we see? What is There is something called matching. What matching is being done?
matching the resource development plans with overall national development plans.
Very good. Now, what do we see if foreigners come? Because of them, resource development becomes increases. Why? Because they've got advanced technology. So this is very important thing to understand, that because they have got advanced technology, they are able to develop better. this concept of technology, quality of human resource, and historical experience. In historical experience, colonization is being discussed, है ना, in this particular topic. So we know every para by para. Now conservation of resources may, um, we have, what is conservation of resources? Can you tell me something? What are the two Gandhian views in conservation?
Greed.
Very good. There's enough for everybody's need, but not for anybody's greed, because greed has no limit. So he wanted, in place of industrial, he wanted people to be involved in production. He was against mass production and wanted to replace it with production by masses. Club of Rome also advocated something. What did it advocate?
The
Resource
resource
conservation.
conversation for the first time.
All right. And Gandhian philosophy was published by a man. His name was,
Schumacher.
uh, and his book's name was.
Small is
Small
beautiful.
is beautiful.
Small is
The
beautiful.
word sustainable development came in such and such report.
Brundtland Commission
Report.
report in 1987.
Our common future, ये our common future.
Another significant contribution
हाँ,
was made at the
हाँ,
Earth Summit at Rio de Janeiro,
हाँ,
Brazil in 1992.
mhm. Now, this much we have already done. Now, the last topic that we did was, that there are three divisions of land. One was mountains, right? And we also understood that there are plains, mountains, plateaus, and plains. When it comes to plain, they are 43%, है ना? And mountains are 30%, right? And then 27% of the land is under plateaus.
Plateaus.
So you can see, this is plateaus, this is mountains, sorry, this is mountains, and this is your plains. So with this we come to